Hi, DJ from On Point FX. This video is going to show you how to quickly sign up with Forex Factory. Okay, so you just have to go to your search box, preferably Chrome, and type forexfactory.com. You press enter. It quickly takes you to their website. So, as we all know, Forex Factory is a place to see how news or fundamentals may affect a particular currency, be it political factors, environmental factors, or any other factor. There are a lot. Okay. So, in order for us to sign up, we just have to click on join at the top right corner. We click on join. Now, after clicking on join, you have to provide a username. So, you have to give yourself a name. Now, take note, if a name has already been taken, what would happen is that they'll tell you it is not available. Okay. So I'm going to use a username that is not available. Okay. Great. So this username is available. Great. Then I'm going to set a password. Then I'm going to retype my password. Then my email address. Okay. Then you select your country. So I'm from Ghana. Then I confirm that I have received and I have read, understood, and agreed with the terms of service and privacy policy. Just check that box and click on join Forex Factory. Great. So I'm all set up right now. Very good. So all you need to do is to just click on calendar at the top here. Great. And it quickly tells you the time, the day, and the date that the news may what. Okay. So if you look at my top right corner, you may come across my username, DJO320. Now, if you check the time and the time is different, what you have to do is to click on it and select the UTC. Very good. You select UTC. Okay. Great. Now you can either select the AM or PM or the 24-hour format. Then click on Save Settings. Very good. Now you are halfway there. So the next thing you have to do is to filter the folders. Okay. You can come across yellow folders, a white folder, or let's say a gray folder. You may come across an orange folder. You may come across a red folder. Now, the red folder indicates how high the news may impact a particular currency. So in order for us to filter only the red folder, we just have to come to the far right top corner. Okay, you can see filter, you click on filter. Then you uncheck all these boxes and you leave only the red ones. Okay, so the event types include the growth of the economy, inflation, employment, central bank, and others. And we are also going to leave all the major currency pairs over here because this is what we're going to focus on. Now you click on apply filter. Great. I forgot to uncheck the orange box as well. So you uncheck it and click on apply filter. Great. So you'll be left with only the red folder. So the red folders only signify high impact news on that particular currency. So make sure you're always at the calendar section and make sure that the time is suitable for you. So I'm in Ghana. Now, if you want to place any trade on any currency pair, what you have to do is to come and check Forex Factory to see if there will be news coming on any of the currencies you are going to trade on. And that'll be all. So if you see news coming, you just have to completely avoid trading that particular currency. That is when it's on a red folder or when it's having a red folder. Okay. Once again, it is Dijo from On Point FX. Have a nice day.